Hi, my name's Tim from YogaTonic UK. Welcome to Test Yoga. We've put together a number of stretches that will help you really get the benefits from working from home using your standing desk from sitstand.com. I find that if I'm spending a long time working at my desk, I can often get tight shoulders. So doing several poses to help me open up the shoulders, I find really beneficial. So if we were to start with our hands out wide, then bringing the right arm underneath the left, coming into eagle arm pose. Palms can be together or the backs of the hands can be together. Inhaling, raising the elbows high and pushing them away to open up your shoulder blades. Do for several breaths. And then releasing. Bringing the arms out wide, opening the chest. And then opposite side, left arm sweeps underneath the right. Again, palms can be together or the backs of the hands can be together. Inhaling, raising the elbows high and pushing them away. Noticing and feeling the shoulder blades separate. Holding for a couple of breaths. Exhaling, releasing, and then opening the arms out wide again. If you'd like to find out more or view a few more of our videos, go to sitstand.com TV or YogaTonicUK.com.